Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a quick in-depth comparison review about these two accounting software, which is Xero and Docyt. So to get started with a quick overview, Xero is a powerful cloud-based accounting platform built for small to medium-sized business. It offers robust features for invoicing, bank reconciliation, financial reporting, and app integration with an intuitive interface and strong multi-user collaboration. Xero also has a top choice for business owners and bookkeeping seeking a complete scalable accounting solution. Then talking about the Docyt on the other side is an AI-powered accounting automation platform focused on real-time financial and back-office automation rather than serving as a traditional accounting platform. Docyt also complements a system like Xero and the QuickBook by automating the quick keeping, document management, and expense tracking, especially suited for businesses with a multiple entities or a franchise looking to reduce the manual work and the close book faster. Then talking about what these two platforms are best for, starting with the Xero is best for small to mid-sized business seeking a full-featured accounting suite. Then talking about the Docyt on the other side is best for businesses needing a real-time AI-powered accounting automation. Now here's a quick overview about these two platforms. So if you need a trusted, affordable, full-service accounting solution with a wide app support and the flexibility, especially ideal for small to mid business companies looking to manage their book without deep automation requirements, just go for Xero. And on the other hand, if your business has a complex or a multi-entity financial operation and you want to automate repetitive account tasks while integrating with a system like Xero or a QuickBook, perfect for fast scaling franchise or a business aiming for an hands-off accounting, just go for Docyt. So that's it.